What you're eating?
Chicken white. Chicken in my white.
What else?
Chicken.
What else? Chicken, rice, and what is that?
Rice.
Soup.
Soup. I put chicken.
It's a big spoon because we don't have a spoon. That's gonna be big mouth. Your mouth is gonna be big for that. You should do like this. Do like this. Like that. Don't put it all the spoon in your mouth. You're gonna get a